To do this trend on TikTok, you need to have CapCut and a toonme application, which you can download from Play or App Store. After downloading, open the application. Now click on this hot body effect or this icon. Now click on Choose Photo and upload your photo from gallery. Now click on Continue. Now choose your gender. Wait for it until it processes. Cancel this page. Now click on Download to download your photo. If you will slide left, it will generate another photo for you. You can choose anyone and download. Now after this, click on the link given below in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now click on Use Template in CapCut, and after that, you will be directed to CapCut. Now click on Use Template and add your photos. First, add the edited photo and then the original photo. After that, click on Preview and check your video. Now export. Now to add audio, go back to New Project again and add the same video. After that, click on Add Audio to add your audio. If you don't have the audio, you can get the audio from link given below in the description. Now check your video and then export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.